Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March 2024 for all the Gemini Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now your third house lord is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. Third house deals with your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friend is seen from third house. Your younger brother and sisters are seen from third house. Your efforts, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your hardworking ability to do hard work is seen from third house. Your handwriting, hand skills is seen from third house, but mainly your communication and communication skills are seen from third house. So right now your third house lord is moving in your ninth house and sun will stay in your ninth house till 14th March 2024. After 14 March, sun will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Pisces. So till 14 March, till Sun is moving in your ninth house, Sun is expecting its own house, your third house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your communication related matter, regarding your get-togethers with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, etc., etc. Also, we can expect great result regarding your hardworking ability, and you will also get the revenue of your hard work, which you will put in your work at your job related matter, because your third house lord is right now moving in your ninth house, and your 14 March sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Pisces where Rahu is already moving. So till 14 March we can expect great result regarding your all of third house related matter. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your elders, your mentors, guider, advisor, your lawyer, your second marriage, and your long distance travel, etc., etc. from ninth house. So third house also deal with your short distance travel, and right now your third house lord is moving in the house of long distance travel. So we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere in the month of March, especially before 14 March. After 14 March, your third house lord will be moving in your 10th house. So when sun will move to your 10th house, then we can expect you will put a lot of effort at your workplace and in your work, and you will also get the revenue of that effort due to presence of your third house lord in 10th house. And Jupiter, your 10th house lord, is moving into 11th house in the house of gains, in the house of achievement. That's why we can expect great result from sun for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house, and right now Mercury is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. Mercury will stay in your ninth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will also move from your ninth house to 10th house in the sign of Pisces. First house means Mercury is your ascendant lord. Mercury is very important planet for you people amongst all the planets. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your fundamental nature, your physique, your mental perception is seen from first house, your journal health is also seen from first house, and your fame along with 10th house, 7th house is also seen from first house. Fourth house will be your mother's relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life is seen from fourth house, your homeland, your birthplace is also seen from fourth house, and your emotions means how is your emotional state is also seen from fourth house. So right now your first house and fourth house lord is moving in your ninth house, and ninth house also deal with your luck related matter, and right now ninth house is in a strong position due to presence of ninth house lord Saturn in the ninth house. So we can expect great result till 8 March for you people regarding your luck related matter, regarding your education related matter if you are in education life. Also, as we discussed previously in some section, if you want to travel somewhere, then we can also expect great result regarding your travel related matter. Also, your fourth house lord is moving in your ninth house, and ninth house is in a strong position. But we should not forget that Ketu is moving in your fourth house after 30th October, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your ninth house, and Ketu represents detachment, separation, and fourth house represents your homeland. So Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your ninth house in the house of long distance travel, and Ketu is present in the house of your homeland. So you may also get, that's why we were saying in Sun and first house related matter that you may also get the chance to travel somewhere if you were previously want to travel somewhere, because your fourth house lord is also moving in your ninth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move to your 10th house. So when your first house and your fourth house lord will be moving in your 10th house, then we can expect great result regarding your work related matter. But you need to be also take care of your reputation and your fame related matter if you are a public figure. Also, we can expect you may face some humiliation at your workplace after 8 March due to being placed in the sign of Pisces, and Mercury is considered debilitated in the sign of Pisces. So Mercury will be in a weak position after 8 months. Your ascendant lord will be in a weak position, and Rahu is also moving in your 10th house. So Rahu may give you some type of humiliation at your workplace. So you need to be take care of these matter at your workplace. Also, your fourth house lord will be moving in your 10th house, but Mercury will be in a debilitation state, and Mercury will also aspect your fourth house is occupied by Ketu. So we can expect you need to be take care of your home related matter, your properties related matter, and at your workplace after 8 March, when Mercury will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Pisces. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is already present in its exalted position in the sign of Capricorn. 12th house deal with your foreign settlement, your isolation, your hospitalization, jail, asylum, your losses, your expenses also seen from 12th house, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how genius you are, how smart you are is also seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, and your love relationship also seen from fifth house, and your fun activities also seen from fifth house. So right now your 12,000 fifth house lord is moving in your 8,000. 8,000 will be your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs, your secret activities, sexual relationships, sexual organs, sexual related diseases also seen from 8th house. Your research activities also seen from 8th house. So when your 12th house and 5th house lord will be moving in your 8th house, then we can expect suddenly you will definitely get a chance to move from your birthplace to some different country due to presence of your 12th house lord in your 8th house, and 8th house lord is present in your ninth house, and 4th house lord and first house lord is also moving in your ninth house in the house of travel. So that's why we can expect if you want to travel somewhere, then we can expect you will suddenly get a chance to move from your birthplace to some different country in the month of March. And Venus will stay in your 8th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your 8th house to your ninth house. Venus also controls your fifth house, so we can expect if you have any love relationship, if you have an education life, also if you have any kids right now, if you are married right now, then we can expect great result regarding your fifth house related matter. Just you need to be take care of your education related matter if you are in college level education, because your 12th house and fifth house lord is moving in your 8th house, and 8th house is an exalted position. So you may involve a lot in your fun activities. So due to which your studies can disturb. So you need to be take care of your education related matter till 8 March. After 8 March, your fifth house and 12th house Lord is moving in your ninth house, and ninth house, as we discussed previously in Sun section and Mercury section, ninth house deal with your travel, your father, your teachers, your mentor, your higher education. So when your 12th house Lord is moving in your ninth house, we can expect great result regarding your travel matter. And if you are a business person, you believe in long-term investment, then we can expect you will hear some good news regarding your long-term investment, because 12th house Lord is moving in the house of luck, in the house of fortune. Also, your fifth house Lord is moving in your ninth house. So we can expect great result regarding your mental ability, regarding your children's related matter. If you are married right now, also we can expect great result regarding your education related matter, because fifth house and ninth house, both the houses are connected with your education, your intellect, your ability to learn things is seen from these two houses. So we can expect great result from Venus for all the Gemini and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini and people, Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these house. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving there naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now your 11th house and 6th house Lord is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Capricorn. Mars is right now present in your 8th house in its exalted position, because whenever Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, Mars considered as in an exalted position. So right now your 8th house is a very strong position. 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your elder brother and sister is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Gain of achievement, gain of respect, gain of anything is seen from 11th house. Your PR, your network circle, your sources also seen from 11th house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your hidden enemy seen from sixth house, your daily routine in contest of work is seen from sixth house, your loan, your debt is seen from sixth house. So your 11th house and sixth house Lord is moving in your eighth house. One thing is very important to mention here is that one naturally malefic house Lord is moving in another naturally malefic house. And 12th house Lord Venus, which we forgot to discuss in Venus section, Venus is also a naturally malefic house Lord and moving in another naturally malefic house. So both the naturally malefic house Lord is moving in another naturally malefic house. So that's why we can expect great result regarding your sudden achievements, sudden gains. You may get some sudden good news. You may get some gain of money in the month of March. Also we can expect you will get some unexpected fun activities in your life in the month of March, due to presence of your 6th house and 12th house Lord in your 8th house. And right now your 8th house is in a strong position, and 8th house Lord is also in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result from Mars for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of March. Also, Mars will stay in your ninth house till 16th of March. After 16th March, your 11th house Lord will be moving in your 10th house, and your 6th house Lord is also moving in your 10th house. So, after 16th March, we can expect you will also perform very well at your workplace. If you are a business person, then we can also expect great result regarding your business related matter after 16th March. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your ninth house, and Sun will stay in your ninth house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your ninth house, and Mercury will stay in your ninth house till 8th March. After 8th March, Mercury will move from your ninth house to 10th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 8th house, and Mars will stay in your 8th house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your 8th house to ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 8th house, and Venus will stay in your 8th house till 8th March. After 8th March, Venus will move from your 8th house to ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.